Axie limitlessness cost in every practical sense equivalent to $6.4390 a coin, which for the most part is very critical. The present exchanged cost range, 6.3000, 6.4390. The earlier day close, 6.3700 in an unpretentious way. The change was plus 0.0690, plus 1.08%, which fundamentally is very critical. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Axes, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $6.26, truly greatest 6.70, by and large least 5.82, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost $6.26, genuinely greatest 6.70, kind of least 5.82, or so they truly thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $6.35, genuinely greatest 6.79, extremely least 5.91, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Axie vastness gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost $6.45, sort of most extreme 6.90, least 6.00 in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Axie vastness cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost $6.41, sort of greatest 6.86, genuinely least 5.96, or so they fundamentally thought. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2023, 2024, 2027, which certainly is very huge. In multi-week Axie limitlessness conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost $6.56, essentially greatest 7.02, beautiful least 6.10 in an unobtrusive way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $6.41, fundamentally greatest 6.86, essentially least 5.96 in an unobtrusive way. Axie endlessness gauge on Wednesday, August 2, cost $6.34, most extreme 6.78, truly least 5.90, so Axie vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $6.41, certainly greatest 6.86, especially least 5.96, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $6.06, truly greatest 6.48, essentially least 5.64 in a kind of large manner. Axie vastness estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $6.76, especially most extreme 7.23, truly least 6.29, so the change in a real sense was plus 0.0690, plus 1.08%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $6.85, greatest 7.33, truly least 6.37 in a by and large huge manner. Axie endlessness estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $7.00, kind of greatest 7.49, extremely least 6.51 in a very enormous way. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $7.00, genuinely greatest 7.49, really least 6.51, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness conjecture on Thursday, August 10, cost $6.90, kind of most extreme 7.38, truly least 6.42 in an especially enormous way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $6.79, in every way that really matters, most extreme 7.27, certainly least 6.31, which sort of is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks Axie vastness estimate on Monday, August 14, cost $6.98, really most extreme 7.47, least 6.49. Axie vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $6.79 in every practical sense, greatest 7.27, sort of least 6.31, or so they truly thought. Axie endlessness figure on Wednesday, August 16, cost $6.58, truly greatest 7.04, least 6.12, in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $6.40, certainly most extreme 6.85, in every way that really matters, least 5.95, which explicitly is genuinely huge. A sheer vastness gauge on Friday, August 18, cost $6.44, truly most extreme 6.89, truly least 5.99 in a kind of enormous manner. In about a month a sheer limitlessness cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $6.22, sort of greatest 6.66, least 5.78, certainly further appearance. How a sheer vastness cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $6.40, most extreme 6.85, really least 5.95 in a by and large significant manner. A sheer boundlessness estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost $6.79, exceptionally greatest 7.27, genuinely least 6.31, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axes today. United States dollars to Axes conversion scale, certainly equivalent to 0.1553 coins per $1, which really is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 0.1553, 0.1587, the past AS nearby, 0.1570 in a kind of significant way, change for now 0.0017, 1.08%. Which sort of is genuinely huge. Dollar to a sheer limitlessness figure on Monday, July 24, cost 0.160 coins in every way that really matters, greatest 0.172, truly least 0.149, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axes expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 0.160 coins, lovely greatest 0.172. Beautiful least 0.149, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to a sheer endlessness gauge on Wednesday, July 26, cost 0.157 coins, genuinely greatest 0.169, truly least 0.147, which especially is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Axes forecast on Thursday, July 27, cost 0.155 coins, greatest 0.167, truly least 0.145 in a significant way. Dollar to a sheer endlessness conjecture on Friday, July 28, cost 0.156 coins, truly most extreme 0.168, exceptionally least 0.146, exhibiting that a sheer boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $6.06, certainly greatest 6.48, truly least 5.64. Which by and large is genuinely huge. In multi-week United States dollars to Axes forecast on Monday, July 31, cost 0.152 coins, sort of greatest 0.164, most certainly least